Welcome everyone to Moreland University Module 4, Unit 4, Activity 2. So today I want to talk about how creating an information-intensive environment in the classroom can enhance student vocabulary and contribute to a positive classroom climate and culture. An information-intensive environment is a space filled with a variety of developmentally appropriate print and digital texts. This includes books, magazines, ebooks, educational apps, and even posters and charts. When students are surrounded by these resources, they're constantly exposed to new words and ideas. For example, like a student reading a science book might learn the word ecosystem and then use it in a class discussion or writing assignment. So, this kind of exposure helps expand their vocabulary very naturally. Positive classroom climate and culture. So having these resources readily available also creates a very positive classroom culture. When students see that their classroom is rich with learning materials, it sends the message that their learning is valued. It encourages curiosity and exploration. Plus, when students share what they've learned from these texts, it fosters a collaboration and respect for each other's ideas. This kind of environment makes students feel supported and motivated, self motivated to learn. Now, let's talk about how oral language and an information intensive environment impact reading and writing development. Can you wait a moment? I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the laptop. Oral language is the foundation of literacy. When students engage in conversations, listen to stories, or participate in discussions, they build their vocabulary and understanding of different language structures. This directly supports their ability to read and write. An information intensive environment reinforced this by giving opportunities for students to see and use like language in different contexts. So for example, like hearing a word in a class discussion, then reading it in a book, and then writing it in a journal helps kind of solidify their understanding. So over time, this process strengthens their reading comprehension and writing skills. So to sum it up, an information intensive environment enhances vocabulary, creates a positive classroom culture, and supports reading and writing development through exposure and practice. So thanks a lot, and see you next week.